Hey, beautiful babes, your girl, Sweet Angel. What's happening with ya? Hey, how you doing? Oh, yeah. Oh, y'all, today, what's going on with me? I wanted to share with y'all some of the, I say some of the best beauty gadgets, best beauty toys that you could ever purchase, and my experience with them and just my usage of them, and etc, just sharing just a little bit about them, not a whole lot of detail because I have full videos that I will link below for you, but I just wanted to let y'all know some of the things that I have been loving. I hope you're doing well. Stick and stay to the end of the video. I appreciate you every single time. Thank you so much. Let's get right to the video. Now, what made me think of this is that periodically I do have to charge up some of my items, and I know that y'all really need to know about these things. So first I'm going to start off with my Liborex Oral Irrigator, which is just a water flosser. Yes, this Liborex flosser, it came with all of the attachments here, 5 additional flossers, and also it has a nice size water tank so you can get the job done quickly and easily. I love using this. Usually I do this about once a week. Super nice, super nice. And since we're already on things about the mouth, guess what I have? Y'all, I still have the box and all because a lot of the great little gadgets and tools usually come in these, and I like to just keep it all stored away nicely. This is the Dental Duty Sonic Electric Toothbrush that I love so much. It came with so many wonderful things. Nice power, supersonic electric toothbrush, 2 brush heads, and the USB cord. Love it, and it helps to get my teeth nice and clean. It does also come with the instruction booklet here. I did a complete video on this, and I just hook it up to, I can hook it up to my computer and the USB or a plug. And here you'll see me just demonstrating it. It has different modes: cleaning, whitening, sensitive teeth. All of those modes are in here. So get ready to have sparkling white teeth. I'll have the link below for you, beautiful babes, and get busy with Dental Duty right on Amazon. Absolutely marvelous. There you go, and there you go. It's nice and sturdy too, and the battery lasts for a heck of a long time. If you're looking for an electric toothbrush, this Dental Duty Sonic electric toothbrush is thebomb.com. Right on Amazon. Most of these products are probably available on Amazon. I will have each and every one of the links below for you to check out as well. Check it out. Y'all, the beauty spatula, the ultrasonic ion cleaner. These are so popular now. I did get mine off of Amazon, and this is what it looks like right here. I just did a full video on it too, so I'm not sure if this video is going up first or that video, but check that video out on Beauty by Sweet Angel. This is what it looks like. It's super sleek, so super easy to work with. And I could not believe it. This was so amazing. I was afraid at first to use this on my face, but this face spatula is perfect. I mean, you're talking about extensive cleaning without abrasiveness like a brush can do. But this is how it looks up close. Very nice and sleek. You just get in there, and man, you can get so much gunk out of your skin. I mean, it's just crazy. And y'all, I am using my vlog camera, so if I keep looking at the screen up there, please forgive me because I'm just not used to it. It also comes with a little dust bag here, which is very nice. And also, I just like to keep a hold of my instructions just in case I may need something apart or something like that. Who knows? It also has a rechargeable cord that goes to it as well. Somewhere around here. I know I have it, but can't find it right now. So this is super cool too, and very affordable and very popular these days. And I know I share with y'all all the time that I love waxing, and y'all excuse my dirty little waxer here, but this I got from Amazon. I've been loving it ever since. It's not hot or anything now, but I do keep my wax in there that you don't have to empty it out. You just reheat what you have. So this is super nice. I love it. I wax my armpits. That's really the only thing that I'm waxing at this moment. Y'all know I've had my hiccups and issues with everywhere else. You know, I do sometimes occasionally do my chin hairs when there's something that, you know, comes up. But speaking of shaving, my Amenzer hair removal is the other best gadget of the year. Okay, comes with the actual eye protectors, which is just sunglasses basically. Of course, the cord, and of course the tool to remove your hair. This is again IPL hair removal, like laser hair removal, and I do this mainly under my chin area and around my mustache area. This is super great. This is super nice. I love this one a whole lot, and man, just check out the video I'll have showing somewhere on the screen with these products in use. Now this may not be as such a beauty gadget, but it definitely cleans up my jewelry. It's the, I want to say it's the Akoki jewelry cleaner, but you just sit your jewelry right inside of here with a little water, and it cleans them off ultrasonically. You can also, it has a thing for a watch, but me personally, I wouldn't dare put my watch in here, but I do put my rings, my jewelry, my necklaces in here. Just put a little water, and you can also put a little dishwashing liquid in there as well to get them super extra clean. Just set the button and it cleans it automatically, and boom, you're done. But this one is so good. I hope it's still available, but I will link my link that I have from my Amazon store from when I got it. You know, the I just needed it so bad. I hate the smell of jewelry cleaner, and I don't like the solution, so it's just like this was the best thing going, and I said I need that. So y'all know I got all kinds of little jewelry and stuff like that, so I love to keep it clean and sparkly and shiny. Now y'all know I couldn't go without giving my Duval Radiance Pin a honorable mention, y'all. This thing is amazing. You know, I've used other brushes before, but this one by far is my favorite. The brush heads are not abrasive on my skin. That I love. I don't like a whole lot of, you know, friction on my face because it does cause me irritation. So this brush is so soft and so great, and it also comes with the body brush as well as an exfoliating brush, as well as like a pumice stone also to get the feet, and another brush head, or it's really not a brush head but more like an exfoliator for elbows, knees, and things like that. So this Duval Radiance Pin is awesome. They also have the Duval Radiance Pin, which I've given away to on my beauty channel, Beauty by Sweet Angel, and everyone loves them. I mean, these are so, and they're so affordable, especially because I have right here a 70% discount code. So if you're ever thinking about a facial brush, needing a body brush, here you go right here. Yes. Now I recently did a video on the Lusty Tone Jade roller. I adore this. This is great for my puffy eyes, and y'all know I keep my bags with me all the time, okay? So every morning, especially if I'm getting ready to get out of the house, this is awesome. This is so awesome. Here lately, you know, I haven't been anywhere, but you know, I still definitely will use it. And the roller is also awesome. I love it as well for rolling, especially getting when I'm putting on my serums and moisturizers. Roll it in, honey. It's amazing. It's amazing to keep the skin nice, plump and taut. I love it so much. This is affordable and it's right on Amazon again. I'll have the links below for you. Check it out if you're looking for some beauty gadgets that are amazing. And I'm not done yet. There's also another one that I love too. This roller here, honey, this is great. I have not used it lately and I really need to, because I was really in the process of trying to tighten up this double chin. It's getting better because I've lost a few pounds, which is okay, but still I need to keep things tight in the process of that. And this roller is great. This one I actually got from Avon. I don't think they even have these anymore, but they are also affordably available on Amazon. So check it out, and the process of using it is really simple as well. You can just check out the video here I have in front of you, and here we go. Very nice. This thing is awfully heavy too, so don't drop it because it will break a toe. And absolutely cannot forget a facial steamer. Always wonderful, always great for opening those pores, especially when you're getting ready to do a mask. This is awesome. I actually have a new one coming because this one actually has, oops, a leak that comes out at the bottom, and that's so inconvenient. But I've had this one for a couple of years, so listen, they're affordable. And you know, if you need a new one, just might as well invest in another one. So that's what I've done. I haven't tossed this one yet because I use them all the time, but this is so great. And I also wanted to mention my Phototherapy scalp massager as well. Y'all, this is so relaxing at night when I can't go to sleep, just massaging my neck. When I haven't made it to bed in time to get my massage from Mike, because sometimes I stay up rather late. And honey, this also helps to stimulate hair growth. And y'all know I've been on my journey, so this has been amazing to help with that as well. It has a 3-in-1 uses. I love it so much, and look, it's just great. I love it. And like I said, you can use it for helping with hair growth, but also it feels good on the neck when you have tension. Oh yeah, love it. And this, y'all, I use this at least maybe once or twice a month. This really helps to get your serums into your skin, moisturizers, treatments. This is the micro needle derma roller. These are so inexpensive, but they have some great benefits, especially if you're older and looking to plump up the skin and really get those moisturizers and serums into your skin. This is super amazing for that. Again, Amazon, very affordable. I just keep mine in the little case it came in. Not all of them do now, which I've had for some time. It may or may not be available, but I will list the one that is also a 0.25 millimeter needles. This is the one that you should use, definitely. And the final item I just want to give a great mention to is this Steamer Max steamer. Y'all know I've been loving this. I got a chance to do my spring cleaning and taking care of my curtains. It's great. I love it so much to freshen up things, to freshen up your sofa, for freshening up chairs that are, you know, kind of stale. You have something here, and you know, of course, for getting the wrinkles out of your clothes. This is amazing. Steamer Max, love this so much. There you go, beautiful babes. I just wanted to share with you some of my fun beauty gadgets, and I'm sorry about the dryer going because I'm right here, kitchen area, laundry room area, but honey, I just want to share with you those things quick and fast. So make sure you check some of them out, and if you do, let me know. I'm your girl, Sweet Angel, signing out for now. Thanks for hanging out right here on Behind the Scenes. We got more things coming, so be on the lookout for that. All you have to do is subscribe and hit the post notification bell, and you'll be in the know the next time I upload. Beautiful babes, take care until then. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the post notification bell, and share your girl with your world. And I'll see you on the next video, which is right there. Bye.